In 2003, professional boxer and heavyweight champion Mike Tyson faced a dire financial crisis. Despite amassing over $300 million during his career, he declared bankruptcy with a staggering $30 million in debt. This shocking turn of events raises a profound question about the nature of money and its role in our lives. Money is an integral part of our existence, driving our actions and motivations. We all have an inherent desire to get it, but what's the point of accumulating wealth if we struggle to manage it effectively? This predicament is not exclusive to Tyson. It's a predicament shared by many. The United States now holds the dubious record of having the highest credit card debt in its history. But it's not just an American problem. This financial burden extends to the UK and beyond. Take a moment to reflect on your own relationship with money. What does money mean to you? Does it seem to enter your life only to disappear quickly? Have you ever found yourself in a vulnerable position, leading you to explore get-rich-quick schemes or follow self-proclaimed gurus who promise riches through their courses? While this channel frequently delves into financial topics, it's vital to recognize that our perceptions of money often outweigh our ability to generate it. Our brains are wired in ways that sometimes hinder our financial sensibility. Does it truly matter if you earn a six-figure income, only to find yourself with nothing to show for it at the end of the year? There is a fundamental disconnect that needs to be unraveled. It's time to solve this mystery and explore a better framework for understanding money, one often overlooked in traditional education. The first step in understanding money is to contemplate its nature. What does money represent when you make a purchase from Amazon, or when you receive payment for your work? Money is often defined as a medium of exchange, a tool facilitating the sale, purchase, or trade of goods. However, this definition falls short of revealing the true essence of money. A more profound perspective is to see money as an expression of value. When you exchange money for a product, it signifies that you perceive the product's value as equal to the money you handed over. While prices are often determined by the market, the key point is that money equals value. This perspective is essential because money has often been ascribed a moral significance, with sayings like, "Money is the root of all evil." Yet, money itself is neither inherently good nor evil. It is the choices we make with it that define our morality. Money offers us opportunities and broadens our horizons, but our moral compass guides the choices we make with it. Now let's explore how this perspective can be translated into actionable advice. Money enters our lives through income and exits through expenses. This dynamic relationship can be succinctly expressed as production versus consumption. Money flows in when we produce value, typically through our jobs, while it flows out when we consume goods and services. A person's net worth in many ways reflects the balance between their consumption and production. Now consider the disheartening statistics mentioned at the beginning. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? How much of the money that entered your life remains in your possession or has been invested in assets? For many, the problem lies predominantly in consumption. The Career Builder study revealed that 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck, and even among those earning six figures or more, 1 in 10 faces the same financial struggle. This highlights the importance of addressing consumption before focusing on production. No matter how much you earn, it's crucial to manage your spending and ensure you have enough left over for savings and investments. The rat race is often portrayed as a futile and self-defeating pursuit, with people constantly chasing the next paycheck or material possession. This lifestyle keeps you on the financial edge, making you one unexpected event away from financial disaster. The stress and anxiety that accompany living on this edge are immense, as your job ceases to be a choice and becomes a necessity to sustain your lifestyle or repay debts. The term rat race is not limited to a mundane 9-to-5 job. It describes a life lived on the brink of financial instability. One unforeseen event, like a job loss or health issue, can shatter your financial stability. This leads to a continuous cycle of chasing the next paycheck or material possession, often at the expense of your long-term goals and ambitions. To break free from this cycle, you must first become aware of your consumption patterns and then take control of your spending. In behavioral finance, our tendency to avoid negative financial information is called the ostrich effect. We often ignore our financial situation, fearing the truth. Overcoming this effect is essential. To regain control over your spending, you should create a monthly budget, allocating specific amounts to various expense categories. This systematic approach enables you to evaluate your consumption and find ways to reduce it. The ultimate goal is to live below your means, maintaining a lifestyle that allows you to save and invest. Before venturing into investments, it's crucial to establish an emergency fund, holding 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Living below your means is vital because it prevents you from pursuing a lifestyle that pushes you to the financial edge. Understanding your cognitive biases, such as the ostrich effect and hyperbolic discounting, is essential in managing your relationship with money. These biases often lead to impulsive decisions and excessive consumption. In this video, we've explored the importance of understanding yourself as a consumer, controlling your consumption, and living below your means. Now, let's shift our focus to the production side of the equation. While personal finance channels often emphasize reducing expenses, it's equally crucial to consider how to increase your income. Personal finance gurus like Graham Stephan and Dave Ramsey provide valuable insights into controlling consumption, but they also employ methods to generate substantial income. For instance, Graham Stephan earns a significant monthly income from YouTube, while Dave Ramsey's estimated net worth is substantial. Producing value on a larger scale can significantly impact your income. One way to achieve this is through entrepreneurship, which involves identifying a problem in the market, creating a solution, and offering it to the public at scale. Successful businesses can produce value that far surpasses that of traditional jobs. However, entrepreneurship is not the only path to increased production. You can also produce value through your job or other means, such as developing an app, launching a brand, or creating content. The internet provides ample opportunities to produce and share value with a broader audience. Understanding money as a medium of value and learning to balance consumption and production are crucial steps in achieving financial stability. The rat race represents a life lived on the financial edge, where the pursuit of the next paycheck or material possession dominates your existence. Breaking free from this cycle requires awareness of your spending habits, budgeting, and living below your means. Incorporating entrepreneurship or other methods of producing value can significantly boost your income. Personal finance channels like this one offer valuable insights into managing your finances, but it's essential to recognize the significance of increasing your production as well. Before we conclude, I'd like to express my gratitude for your time and attention. Your dedication to learning about personal finance is a testament to your commitment to financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content on business, money, and finance. Remember, you have the power to change your financial trajectory by becoming a more mindful consumer and a more effective producer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.